take me there when I think about you. When I think about you, how you take me there when I think about you. I ain't never gonna go nowhere. Yeah, we can get.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing this here. Okay, so I'm gonna be reviewing a wig today. So the wig is from Cenhiee store. It's on Amazon, so they reached out to me and I'm gonna be doing a review for them. So this hair is a 13 by 4 short pixie cut. It is Brazilian Remy hair, natural black. It's already bleached. So this is Amazon packaging, as you guys can already tell. I've been doing a lot of Amazon wig review lately. So, okay. So it's DHL than Amazon. Okay. So this is the packaging. It comes straight from China. As you can see right here, it tells you that it's 13 by 4 short pixie cut, curly lace strand wig, and it's in black. I use left hand, so when I cut, it looks so weird, but okay. So I don't really like the packaging. It feels like really cheap. Okay. Yeah, it just, I don't know, they feel really cheap, and then the box is like broken already and everything. Let's see how it looks over the packaging. Okay. I don't like how it feels. Kind of feels weird, of course. Like inside of the cap, right here. So it says 13 by 4 on the box. It does say 13 by 4 on Amazon, but it also says 13 by 2. So I'm not sure about the construction, but this is how I'm not sure about if it's 13 by 4 or 13 by 3, but this is how it comes right here. And then it have, let me see how much combs. It have 2 at the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back. It does come with adjustable straps, and if the wig cap is too big, it does come with something to secure the hair. So you can use it as like a glueless wig if you want to, but
must admit that I'm ready to go the distance with you. 'Cause it's been a long time since I had a man to make me feel the way you do. You know I'm really feeling you. The situation is hard to explain, 'cause you never put your hands on me, but I feel like chemistry. So I'll give you a try, and if you do me right, then boy, you know you got me. If you get it right the first time, then you know you got it anytime you want it, babe. All you gotta do is make it hot, and then you know you got my body locked. If you get it right the first time, then you know you got it anytime you want it, babe. All you gotta do is make it hot, and then you know you got my body locked.
Minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. Wait, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Ruin my vibe.